Have you ever wondered what happens when Samsung takes everything people loved about its flagship smartphone and makes it even smarter? Well, meet the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra, a premium flagship smartphone packed with powerful Galaxy AI features, flagship performance, professional-grade cameras, and one of the most impressive displays ever built into a smartphone. This device promises to deliver the ultimate Android experience. But is it really worth the premium price? Let's find out. At first glance, the Galaxy S25 Ultra immediately feels like a true flagship. Samsung has refined its premium titanium frame, making it stronger while keeping it comfortable to hold. The rounded corners improve the overall grip, and the slimmer bezels give you more screen without making the phone noticeably larger. The clean front design, centered punch hole camera, and floating rear camera lenses create a modern, elegant look that's instantly recognizable. Measuring approximately 162.8 by 77.6 by 8.2 millimeters and weighing around 218 grams, it feels perfectly balanced in the hand. With an IP68 rating, it's also resistant to dust and water, making it ready for everyday use. The front is dominated by a stunning 6.9-inch Dynamic AMOLED 2X display with a sharp QHD+ resolution. Whether you're watching movies, playing games, or simply scrolling through social media, everything looks incredibly sharp, colorful, and smooth. The adaptive refresh rate intelligently switches between 1 Hz and 120 Hz, providing fluid animations while conserving battery life. With an impressive peak brightness of up to 2,600 nits and Gorilla Armor 2 protection, the display remains easy to view even under bright sunlight, while offering improved durability and reduced reflections. Powering the Galaxy S25 Ultra is Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite for Galaxy processor, one of the fastest mobile chipsets available today. Combined with 12 GB of RAM and ultra-fast UFS 4.0 storage, available in 256 GB, 512 GB, and 1 TB variants, the phone handles everything effortlessly. Whether you're gaming, editing high-resolution videos, multitasking between apps, or using advanced AI features, performance remains consistently fast, responsive, and efficient. Photography continues to be one of the Galaxy Ultra series' biggest strengths. The quad camera system includes a massive 200-megapixel main camera, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide camera, a 50-megapixel telephoto camera with 5x optical zoom, and a 10-megapixel telephoto camera with 3x optical zoom. This versatile setup captures exceptional detail, vibrant colors, impressive dynamic range, and excellent low-light performance. From breathtaking landscapes and detailed portraits to distant subjects and cinematic videos, the Galaxy S25 Ultra consistently delivers professional quality results. On the front, the 12-megapixel selfie camera captures sharp photos and supports crystal-clear 4K video recording, making it perfect for video calls and content creation. Battery life is another area where Samsung delivers with confidence. The built-in 5,000 mAh battery easily lasts a full day for most users. When it's time to recharge, the phone supports 45-watt wired fast charging, 15-watt wireless charging, and wireless power share, allowing you to charge compatible accessories directly from your smartphone. On the software side, the Galaxy S25 Ultra runs Android 15 with Samsung's latest One UI 7. Samsung also promises up to 7 years of Android updates and security patches, making this one of the best long-term investments in the Android ecosystem. Galaxy AI features such as Circle to Search, Live Translate, intelligent photo editing, writing assistance, and productivity tools make everyday tasks faster, smarter, and more convenient. Connectivity is equally impressive. The Galaxy S25 Ultra supports global 5G networks, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, GPS, and USB Type-C 3.2 for fast data transfer. Multimedia is enhanced by powerful AKG-tuned stereo speakers with Dolby Atmos support, delivering immersive sound for movies, music, and gaming.
Samsung also continues to include the built-in S Pen, giving users precise control for note-taking, drawing, editing, and professional productivity. Security is handled by Samsung Knox, an ultrasonic in-display fingerprint scanner and facial recognition, helping keep your personal information safe. When it comes to pricing, the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra starts at around $1,299 for the 256GB model, while the 512 and 1TB versions are available at higher prices depending on your region and current offers. So, what's the truth about the Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra? This isn't a complete redesign over its predecessor, and that's not necessarily a bad thing. Instead of reinventing the phone, Samsung focused on improving every important area. You get a brighter display, a faster processor, smarter AI features, refined cameras, premium build quality, and industry-leading software support. If you're upgrading from an older Galaxy device or another Android phone that's several years old, the improvements will feel substantial. However, if you already own the Galaxy S24 Ultra, the upgrade is more evolutionary than revolutionary, making it most appealing to users who want the latest AI capabilities and performance enhancements. The Samsung Galaxy S25 Ultra is easily one of the best Android smartphones available today. It combines premium design and exceptional display, flagship performance, professional-grade cameras, reliable battery life, advanced Galaxy AI, and long-term software support into one complete package. While the price is certainly premium, the overall experience fully justifies the investment for anyone looking for Samsung's most capable smartphone. If you enjoyed this review, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more smartphone reviews, comparisons, and the latest technology updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.